What's up, guys? It's Mr. DS18, and today we got something shiny to show you guys. Our new chrome colored horn drivers. That's right. We got chrome blue, we got gold, and we got red chrome. Check this out. They're short chromes, ABS plastic, durable, and they're easy to bolt on any of our drivers. That's right. Here we have the blue ones attached to the DRN2s. We got the red one attached to our D1s. And then we got the gold one, which you're going to drop right here in our new DRNMD, which is the new dual voice coil compression driver. Like I said, these are short horns. Let's open up the manual so you guys can check out exactly what we're talking about. So overall, horn diameter is 6.5 inches. It's a 2-inch throat. Bolt on, 57 degrees. Rounded is the sound coverage. ABS plastic. And it comes in these 3 awesome colors. Check out that blue. Real nice. All of our drivers come with the bolts. So all you have to do is attach your horn, bolt them in, and you're set to go. This is the DRN2 neodymium motor with the short blue one. Then we got the D1s, which is our popular DKH1. This is the D1, just a compression driver. Check that out, ferrite magnet, a lot of power. Attached, it comes with the bolts as well, so it's easily to bolt on. We got the red ones bolted on that one. And then we got our new DRNMD, the dual voice coil one, huge monster. Check that out. This one comes with bolts as well. Easier bolts, just drop them in, put some lugs on, some nuts on them, and you're set to go. Check that chrome gold out. Looks very cool. Look that out. Check out the sizes. And you're set to go. So you guys make sure you check him out. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm Mr. DS18, and we like it loud.